we will have only Q here. They are asking Q, so Q is equal to minus 3Q. They ask the capital Q or small q. They ask the capital Q. Then make it capital Q subject to already we have done here. So capital Q is equal to minus Q by 3. Now the option is fourth option. Clear? Option 4 is correct. Now come to fifth one. An infinite number of charges, each of charge charge 3 microcoulomb are placed on the axis with coordinates x is equal to 1, 3, 9, 27, infinity. If a charge 2 microcoulomb is kept at origin, then the net force on 1 microcoulomb of charge. So here there is a confusion in this question. If charge 2 microcoulomb millicoulomb is kept at origin, whether that is the net force on 1 millicoulomb. They mention origin 2 charges. You take 1 millicoulomb to change the value origin. The charge which is placed at the origin magnitude you change. So according to question, this is the origin. Here charge Q placed. What is the charge? 1 millicoulomb. 1 millicoulomb means 10 power minus 3 coulomb. And next, x is equal to 1. Here they mentioned they place 3 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Next, 3. Again 3 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. So on. Clear? Like that. Next 9. Next 27. Like that they placed. They are asking net force on charge placed at the origin Q. Let us say this you take it capital Q, capital Q, capital Q, capital Q. So 2 are positive charges, all forces act in this direction, they experience repulsive force. This Q experience repulsive force, all are acting in the same direction, so you can add all the forces. So the net force on Q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This charge 1 into 10 power minus 3 into this charge 3 into 10 power minus 6 pi, here is 1 square, plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 into 10 power minus 3 into 3 into 10 power minus 6 by 3 square and so on. So instead of writing these are all, we will make it very simple. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught small q capital Q by 1 square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught small q capital Q 3 square plus and so on. To understand, I written this equation. Actually this is not required. After simplifying the equation, we will substitute small q and capital Q values. Then F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught small q capital Q is take it common. 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 9 square plus 1 by 27 square, so on. This 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught small q capital Q 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 9 square 81. This I can write it 3 power 4 plus 27 power 2. This I can write 3 power 6 and so on. So this is in geometric progression. Use some of the n terms. So 1 by 4 pi are directly substitute. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is 9 into 10 power 9. Small q value is what? 10 power minus 3. Capital Q is value 3 into 10 power minus 6 into 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Some of the infinite terms. What is the formula? Sn is equal to 1 by 1 minus R, or A minus R, first term and ratio. Right, some of the terms formula is A by 1 minus first term, next ratio, and this is 9 into 10 power 9. Sorry, we have simple calculate here. 9 as it is, plus 9 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 will be cancelled. So 9 into 3 into 3 comes up 3 minus 2, and this is 9 into 9 is 27 newtons. Is there option? Yes, is there 27 newtons. Fourth option. Now come to sixth question. Here, this is already you are done. Now here calculation mistake. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 9 into 9. Previously I written 27. This is wrong. So 9 into 9 is 81. 81 by 2 newtons. Now the given option is 2. 81 by 2. See here, very careful calculation. Wrong option also there, 27 newtons. So clearly we need to do calculations. So we need to avoid this kind of mistakes. Clear? Next. Now, in fourth question also option given 2. According to this, they given according to key this is minus 3q by 4. But in our calculation we got minus q by 3. The mistake was they have taken instead of 2d they taken d. Clear? If you take it d, then d plus d, what happened? 2d square, it will be 4d square. So instead of 9, we will get 4. Then given answer will be correct. But we followed correct procedure. According to our calculation, this is the correct answer. Clear?